This is a break barrel. It's called the TPR, Tactical Precision Rifle. Takes a standard size pellet, but which will we use today? I believe these two. I'll just quick show you how it works. And bam. I'm going to use the almost 11 grain Silent Cat. I always endorse using eye protection. Today we're going to shoot this container filled with water. Kind of a ballistics test. Apologies about the angles. I didn't have time to set up a tripod or even look for it. So, without further ado. Oh man, that was silent. Let's see. Come off both ends. So yeah, pretty much any break barrel that shoots, over 1,000 feet per second, pretty lethal. And the next time I'll use a penetrator to take out the metal bucket.